Hi everybody, thanks for tuning in. What I'm doing today is swapping out the original battery in the R1250 GS. The reason for the presentation is to really share with you why I'm doing this. But before I do that, I'd just like to say a very big, sincere thank you from all of us really for all the subscribers and the viewers to our recent video. The EasyCam video over a 48-hour period managed to attract over 6,000 hits. We're absolutely overwhelmed by it and we're very, very grateful for the support. Anyway, moving on. As I said, I'm changing out the battery today. The reason why I'm doing that is that the OEM battery weighs in at just shy of 5 kilograms. It weighs an absolute ton, or it feels like it. So what I'm changing it for is one of the latest cutting-edge LiPo batteries. Absolutely amazing. Look at that, guys. It's as light as a feather and it only weighs 1 kilogram. So you can save nearly 4 kilograms like that. Absolutely fantastic. Now, to change the battery, it's quite simple and quite straightforward. However, if any of you out there would like us to do a video on it, please don't hesitate to put something in the comments and we'll be very, very keen to help wherever we can. So, thanks for viewing, ride safe and bye for now. And if anybody's interested in buying one of these batteries, Cymarc Bike Parts, totally recommend Nippy Norman.